Hello guys, and welcome back to Writing Practices. Today, we're diving into a highly specialized and important letter, the Affidavit of Support for Visa Applications, also known as Form Y-134. This letter plays a crucial role in supporting someone's visa application by demonstrating your financial ability and willingness to support the applicant during their stay in the United States. In this tutorial, we'll go step by step through the letter, explaining how to write it effectively, with examples straight from the template. Let's get started. Sender's information. We begin with your personal information, which serves as the introduction to your affidavit. This section should include your full name, your full address, your email address, your phone number. Here's how it might look. Your full name, your address, city, state, zip code, email address. Phone number. Providing accurate contact details is crucial, as USCIS or the embassy may need to contact you for additional information or verification. It sets the tone for transparency and professionalism in your affidavit. Date. Next, include the date you're writing the letter. For example, March 6, 2025. This is essential because immigration processes often rely on specific timelines. Including the date ensures your affidavit is valid and relevant to the visa application. Recipient's information. The recipient of this letter is the U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services (USCIS), or the relevant embassy or consulate handling the beneficiary's application. Include the following: USCIS office or embassy or consulate address, city, state, and zip code. For example, U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services, or USCIS, USCIS office address, or embassy or consulate address, city, state, zip code. Providing the correct address ensures the letter reaches the intended department and avoids processing delays. Subject. The subject line clearly states the purpose of the letter. For example, subject, Affidavit of Support for Beneficiary's full name. This direct subject line immediately tells USCIS or the consulate what the letter is about, making it easier to organize and review. Salutation. Start with a formal greeting. Dear Sir or Madam. Since the recipient is likely a formal entity rather than an individual, this greeting is polite and appropriate. Opening paragraph. Purpose of the letter. In this section, state your intent to provide financial support for the beneficiary. Be clear about your relationship with them and the visa they are applying for. For example, I, your full name, residing at your full address, hereby submit this Affidavit of Support, Form Y-134, on behalf of beneficiary's full name, who is seeking state visa type, such as a tourist visa, student visa, etc., to enter the United States. This paragraph establishes your identity, your relationship to the beneficiary, and the purpose of the affidavit. It's a critical introduction that frames the rest of the letter. Body paragraph 1. Commitment to support. In this paragraph, you affirm your ability and willingness to financially support the beneficiary. Specify your immigration status to establish your eligibility to provide this support. For example, I am a U.S. citizen or permanent resident, or specify status, and am willing and able to financially support beneficiary's full name during their stay in the United States to ensure they do not become a public charge. This statement underscores your accountability and assures the immigration authorities that the beneficiary will not rely on public resources. Body paragraph 2. Financial details. Here, you detail your financial capability to support the beneficiary. Include specifics such as your income, assets, and employment status. For example, below are my financial details and commitment. 1. Relationship to beneficiary, such as friend, family member, etc. 2. Beneficiary's purpose of visit, state purpose, such as vacation, family visit, study, etc. 3. Duration of support. Specify the duration you intend to support the beneficiary, such as 6 months, 1 year, etc. 4th, proof of financial capability. Annual income. Specify amount. Current employment. Your job title, company name, and duration of employment. Assets, if applicable. List significant assets, such as bank savings, property, etc. This level of detail demonstrates your ability to fulfill the financial commitment. Be truthful and precise, as USCIS may verify this information. Body paragraph 3. Supporting documents. List the documents you're including to substantiate your claims. For example, to support this affidavit, I have attached the following documents: copy of my recent pay stubs or tax returns for the last year, bank statements for the past specific period, proof of my U.S. citizenship or permanent residency, such as passport, green card. Providing these documents gives USCIS concrete evidence of your financial stability, making your affidavit more credible. Closing paragraph, affirmation and contact information. In this section, reaffirm your commitment to supporting the beneficiary and offer to provide additional information if needed. For example, I affirm that I am capable of financially supporting beneficiaries' full name during their stay in the U.S. and will ensure that they have the resources required for their travel, accommodation, and general living expenses. Should you need further information or documentation, please feel free to contact me at your phone number or your email address. This reassures USCIS of your sincerity and willingness to assist further. Closing salutation. End the letter formally with, "Sincerely, your full name." This maintains a professional tone and leaves a positive impression. Attachments. Finally, list all the documents you're enclosing with the affidavit. For example, attachments. List all attached documents, such as proof of income, citizenship, or other supporting evidence. This ensures USCIS knows exactly what's included and can process the application more efficiently. And that's how you write an affidavit of support for visa applications. Every section we've covered today is vital for ensuring your letter meets USCIS requirements. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to Writing Practices for more step-by-step guides. Let me know in the comments if there's a specific type of letter you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.